Being used a lot to open and close your trunk, the Crest emblems take quite a beating over the years. When you're ready to restore your classic, our Crest emblems won't disappoint. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 69 and 1971 to 76 Cadillac trunk Crest emblems. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. These top quality trunk Crest emblems are an exact reproduction of the original equipment. Each emblem is manufactured from die-cast to OEM specifications and features a chrome-plated finish. Every face is intricately detailed with the factory-correct colored enamel paint. In addition, each set comes with a complete return spring for the Crest as well as mounting hardware for installation. It'll be ready for installation right out of the box. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.